we'll guide you through how to install Immich on Docker. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by opening File Explorer, which you can easily do by pressing the Windows key and E at the same time. Navigate to the drive or folder where you would like to permanently store your Immich data. Create a brand new folder there and name it Immich-app. Then double-click to open it up so you are working inside of it. Hold down the Shift key, right-click anywhere in the empty white space, and select Open a PowerShell window here. Inside that window, you will need to download the official Docker Compose configuration file. Do this by using the invoke web request command to fetch the Docker Compose.yml file directly from GitHub and save it into your folder. Next, download the environment template by using another invoke web request command to fetch the example.env file, making sure to save it locally as just.env. Once both files are downloaded, right-click the new .env file and open it using the Windows Notepad application. Scan through the text until you find the upload location variable. Change that default path to point exactly to your preferred photo storage location. For example, your D drive followed by a folder named Immich Photos. Scroll down a little bit further until you find the database password variable, and carefully replace the placeholder text with a highly secure password of your own choosing. Save the .env file to lock in those changes, and then simply close Notepad. Before continuing, double-check that your Docker desktop application is actively running in the background. Return your focus to the PowerShell window you left open and start up Immich by running the Docker Compose up command in detached mode, which quietly launches the necessary background services. Finally, open up your web browser and visit the interface by typing http://localhost:2283. When the page fully loads, complete the initial Immich account setup.